Having trouble logging into Pixlr? Maybe your password isn't working, the login page won't load, or you keep getting authentication errors. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr login problems in 2026 with several simple solutions. So let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Even a small typo or accidental space can prevent you from signing in. If you can't remember your password, click the Forgot Password option and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the login process. Make sure your internet is working properly before trying again. Stored browser data can sometimes cause authentication problems. Clear your cache and cookies, restart the browser, and then attempt to log in again. Some extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, can interfere with login pages. Temporarily disable them and test the login again. Yeah, this often fixes unexpected sign-in issues. Open Pixlr in an incognito or private browsing window. This loads the site without most extensions and cached data. If the login still fails, switch to another browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. This helps identify whether the issue is browser-specific. If you normally sign in with Google, Apple, or another provider, make sure that account is active and already logged in on your device. Sometimes Pixlr may be experiencing server problems or maintenance. In that case, login services may temporarily stop working for everyone. If none of these fixes work, contact Pixlr support. Include screenshots of the error message and details about your account so they can help investigate the issue. And that's how to fix Pixlr login problems in 2026. Most login issues can be solved by resetting your password, clearing browser data, or checking for service outages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.